Hi everyone, today I will introduce you all to the online store system or MooZiiCart. This is a web template for anyone who owns a business can easily install this web template and customize the content and information on this web page. MooZiiCart really is the easier and more convenient way of creating a website. It comes with many different extensions features which allow you to customize your website as much as you need. So, let me walk you through the four features of MooZiiCart. Features and specification. Second, general features. Third, system administrator features. Fourth, system and shop component. For the features and specification, this system is developed by using Joomla and PHP 7 as a framework. Next, MooZiiCart has the browser supports which are Firefox and Chrome. For the hosting, it's very easy for whoever wants to install the web template. All you have to do is having your domain name registered and choose the hosting. Since some websites that offer the hosting service will have Joomla's web hosting ready for you to use, all that left to do is install MooZiiCart. That's all it takes to have your online store system. Next, the system is developed by Thai people, which makes this MooZiiCart have the best understanding of Thai people's working style. For example, the paperwork and the tax calculation. Next, about the site security. So obviously Joomla has already have an up-to-date security system. Next, regarding the updating website, the admin can upgrade his own website without programmers or complicated knowledge. You can do it all by yourself. Next, the general features of MooZiiCart. Since this website is designed to be the online store, this is how it works. The customer enters the website, then choose the product payment. After that, we will have to track the delivery status and collect the receipt. In our website, you don't have to sign up in order to see the information of the product, and the registration is not complicated. Okay, let's move on to the main features of this online store, which is the shopping cart system. The shopping cart system is like the shopping cart in the store that the customer used to collect information like the name, the price, and the quantity of the product on the website that the customer picked out. This system will help the customer to see what they're buying. So the customer can have an easy access to see their lists. They can cancel some item, change the quantity, or add more items to the cart as long as they still not make any payment. Moreover, the customer can also add the favorite item or favorite product on their personal information page. Next, this website is also supported by the multi-currency and multi-languages system to increase more business opportunity. Obviously, wouldn't want to sell our product to the small group or customers in one country. Therefore, this system will help you attract more foreign customers to the store. Next, label discount and coupon. So the customers would always want to see the new product with discount and coupon on them, which also our website provided with 3 features. So the customers can see what the stores offer. For the coupon features, we will have the coupon information including the started price and the expired date, the quantity and the percentage of or the fixed amount of the discount. Okay, other than that, we are also have options variant for the color, size, and weight. The seller can provide more information about the color, size, and weight and other unlimited options. of the product for the customer to choose. This, you can add more options to choose from. Next is the rating system, which is really important for the online shopping, since many customers would love to read the reviews and the rating of the product before they decide to buy them. This section will allow the customer to give their comments, which the admin will be the person who will give the permission whether or not the comment will be published. Next, when the customer buy the products, the website will send a notification for the customer so they can check the price and the quantity of the product. Next, when the customer buy the product, the website will the payment gateway. This system will allow the customer to make payment in various methods. For example, PayPal or any other methods. The store can add as many payment methods as they want to the website. Next, the tracking system. So after the customer made a purchase, they can click at My Order. It will show the purchase history. They can track the delivery system by choosing the date that they made purchased and see where is the product now. Next, the document printing. The system will provide the purchase order for the customer to print out. The customer can click at My Order to check the details, then click Print. There will be a PDF file of the documents that pops up. You can see. Next features the administration system. Main function of the admin system are included adding new product, checking for orders, updating status, and the paperwork. For the admin part, there will be product categorization, product management, member management, order management, information and promotion management, and slideshow changing. For the product categorization, the admin can log in and manage the product categories and also can see the quantity of the products in that categories from the list in the category page. The admin can also add the unlimited amount of products, pictures, size, price, and the color of the products, as I mentioned before. Other than keying the information on a web page, the admin can also import information of the product or the customers by click at the menu and choose import the Excel file like this. This is very convenient for those who already have the information in Excel or other programs. For the other programs, all you have to do is to convert the file to Excel and then customize the layout to be the same as a web page, then upload into the website. It can really help saving time. Next is the setting options. You can set the different prices for the different countries or set the price according to the weight. Moreover, there are also the delivery management system that you can set up or create many types of delivery. Also the tax management. The admin can set the tax for each product, and the CEO system is supported in this website too. Next, we also have the content management system. This feature will help you to create your content or article for your product that will certainly help your customers to have more understanding about your products before they making any purchase. You can type or link the content with the product or the other content in the system. You can also set up the publication date in case if the admin want to share the articles or any information about the product. You can set up the publication date and the system will share it on the date and time that you have set. So this could help with the promotion and information aspect, which can be beneficial to the SEO of your website. The next function is the rating system. This is very important nowadays. You might already have some advertised videos of your product on your Facebook page, YouTube channel, or other platforms. Now you can upload those videos on a website so the customers can see more reviews and more information of your products in the video. And the custom field. This function will allow you to collect more additional information. For instance, this will allow you to collect the personal information of the customers, like line ID or Facebook name, by yourself without the programmers. You can also choose the types of URL, text, number, or quantity. You can choose to save it in the form you prefer. Next is the template design. As you can see, you can customize your product web page. You can design your layout and change any position on your page. Also, you can download new template to apply to your website according to your taste and design. This is an example. Okay, this is an example of one of the free web template of the website. Okay, you can download it if you are interested. There are so many of them, both paid ones and free ones. So last part is the system and shop components. This is about the add-on system, which enhance the features of the website like the slideshows and the data and statistic. For example, an application form component. This one is for those who want to add the job offer features in the system. For Share Social, this one is very important. This will help sharing the content to your Facebook page or online, or any other social media that you set up, like Twitter and Google. And here is the M watermark. It's for applying the watermarks on the pictures that you uploaded on the website. And lastly, the M slideshow. Like you've seen in the earlier slide, this is the one that helped you pick out your pictures to be on the slideshow on a website, which is very helpful. It will make your website look more interesting. You can find more information in the MooZiiCart website, and thank you.